Good evening, guys. Early evening. Beefyprepper here. I'm out here doing a little metal detecting at a practice baseball field. I found 2 pull tabs and a penny so far. Show you if I get anything good. Right here I got an 86. I'm gonna go ahead and dig this up, see what it is. Now whatever it is in my hand. Let's see if I can do this. I didn't bring my tripod. Let's see here. Oh, what do we got? We have, oops, a dime, it looks like. Just a Roosevelt dime. All right, put that in the bag and keep digging. All right, so on the Nokta makro, I got a 83 here. I'll go ahead and dig this, see what this is. All right, here again, it's in my hand. Probably a piece of junk. Nope, there's a coin. Let's see what that is. That would be a penny. All right. I think it's reading my phone. All right, I'm gonna put that plug back in and swing the detector some more. So when I'm swinging this, I look for numbers in the, well, you learn the numbers as you go, but 86 is generally dimes and pennies. I thought I had one right in here. You gotta listen for the beeps and watch the numbers. In 70s is generally pop cans. All right, I'll find this, we'll dig it. So this one bounced around between 80 and 94. It could just be how it's orientated in there. Not real sure. It might just be junk, but we're gonna see if we can find it. Sounds like it's right in there. Let's see here. Might not have gone deep enough. I'll get back with you. An old piece of junk. Took me a while to dig up that old piece of junk. All right, fill my hole in. Yeah, it's starting to rain. This is a 92, so I suspect something good here. Maybe. All right, I'll get closer to it and show you. Lumps of it looks like a quarter. It is a quarter, I think. Yep, that's a quarter. All right, I'm gonna toss that in my bag and keep moving. Here's another target. This one was a 93. And right there. Let's see if I can find that booger. Show you guys. Well, there we go. Got a quarter. So filthy. Can't see what year it is. Well, I was having pretty good luck, but it's starting to downpour pretty good. I think I might get the heck out of here. Try to get you guys another metal detecting video soon, because this one's a little short. I did find quite a bit of change. I'll have to show you a picture of that here at the end. Out for now.